Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching Gadget Match. We've already done a very detailed hands-on video on the Samsung Galaxy S9. If you want to learn about the new phone, click over here to watch that. This is our Samsung Galaxy S9 unboxing. Okay, let's get to it. This is the S9 in its retail packaging. It comes in Samsung's now standard black box with S9 etched in royal blue. Let's slide this jacket off and flip the box open like this. First up is another box with a SIM ejector tool, quick start guides, and a jelly case, which is not something that usually comes with high-end phones. A nice touch. And finally, we have the S9 in beautiful lilac purple. If you're upgrading from the S9, this is the color you want to get because it's the only new color this year. Let's peel this off. Look at that. It's beautiful, but let's set it aside for now. Deeper in this box, you'll find a USB adapter with adaptive fast charging, OTG adapter, USB-C cable, and last but not the least, AKG headphones with additional ear tips. I want to briefly show you the user interface, but let's roll the complete spec sheet first. Do note that color options and higher storage options will differ based on your region. Okay, back to the UI. The Galaxy S9 runs on Android 8 Oreo. The user interface is familiar. Notification shade looks like this. Swiping right reveals Bixby, and swiping up the app drawer. Again, to see more software features and for a full rundown of what the phone can do, check out our hands-on video today. That was our Galaxy S9 unboxing. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow Gadget Match on social media, and make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.